Be sure to check out my bio so you don't miss out on any of my other content. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a series of relaxing and effective yoga exercises to help you de-stress and energize. Support my channel and become one of the lucky winners. Contest conditions: subscribe to the channel, put a like on this video, and leave any comment. Take a screenshot of your subscription, like and comment on this video. Send the screenshot to me via the link in the bio and get exclusive content from me. Stay with me until the end to not only enjoy the exercises, but also to get motivated for the day. Let's start the exercise aimed at stretching the muscles of the legs and back. Sit on the mat, one leg stretched forward, the other bent, and gently bend to the extended leg. This movement helps improve flexibility, activate blood circulation, and relax your muscles after a long day. In the second exercise, we focus on opening the hip joints. You assume a position on all fours and then gently draw your knees apart as you lower yourself down, keeping your balance on your hands. The next exercise strengthens the gluteal muscles and back. Staying in a stance on all fours, lift one leg up, keeping your back straight. Repeat the movement for each leg. This exercise perfectly strengthens the muscles and adds a charge of vigor. Finish your workout by stretching your muscles to relax. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your comments motivate me to create new videos and share useful content with you. By the way, I have another channel where you will find a lot of other interesting content. Be sure to stop by there and check out my new video. Bye bye.